So when I say backwards, when I say backwards in math, what are you thinking of? We're going to use algebra to go backwards, right? Like to figure out what's missing. Right, with a letter. Exactly. Yeah, that's a good one. So put this down at the top backwards. To be honest, it doesn't happen very often, but when it does come across, it's worth 4 marks, 3 to 4 marks. So you just got to be very careful. And guess 126 guys, and guess and check is not going to get you the marks. Okay, so basically what we're going to do is you read it, you wrote a test, right? Each test was worth 20%, and got 75, 80, and 86 on those tests. What mark must he get on the final exam worth 40% if he wants a final grade of 86%? You're going to circle that. Okay? You're going to say that the average is given, right? You're going to make a note that the average is actually provided to you. Okay? And let's just do this because quite often I give you I'm going to ask you to make a chart. Score as a percentage and the weight as a percentage as well. Let's just make a small little chart like this. We scored 75. We scored 80 and 86. And each one of them is worth what? The same amount. That's just coincidence. Doesn't really happen very often. And the last one is your final exam, right? Which is worth 40%. You're wondering what must you score on that one, right, to get an average of 86. Okay. I'm just going to add another one here. Just a little that. I will tell you percentage. You should check. Does one of them add up to 100%? Guys, when it's your final mark, unless your teacher made a mistake on the category weights, it should always add up to 100%, right? But if you want to check, you check, right? What's that? Well, we'll figure out, yeah, what must you score here to get the 86 that you want. I don't know why 86, right? Why not 90s? But whatever. So we'll put down 86 is equal to, and this number, put an arrow to that, right? 86 is equal to 75 times 20 plus. Why does he do the double brackets thingy? I don't like that. Well, here, there. Same thing. 80 times 20 plus 86 times 20 plus x. This is where I'm going to do this, okay? I hope you're comfortable with how I'm going to write this. I'm going to say x times 40, like that. Otherwise, things might get a little complicated there. And you divide the whole thing by 100. And you're going to make note that this is right there. That's our unknown. It could be 40x, yeah, same thing. Sometimes some textbooks will put a dot in between. They all mean the same thing. What would you do first? If let's say you want to get into a certain program where you're gonna get money if you get this next step right, what would you do first? What would you tackle first, Zach? Okay. Okay, let's do that. So I'm gonna go 86 is equal to, yeah, I'm going to go 40x at this point. Yeah. Mhm. I wish I could say come and pick up your $100 later, but I don't have that kind of money. Anyways, and then yeah, you basically you clean it up from one step to the next until you have just a few numbers left, right? So I'm going to go 86 is equal to, we can add this up, right? So this would be 3100 plus 1720. That's 4,820 plus 40x. And there you have it. And now you're kind of running out of runway. What must you tackle next? Multiply both sides by 100. Yeah, because of this. So anytime you have a 5, a 3, anything, divide and get rid of it. So this is how I show it. So I take the whole side and I just multiply that by 100. I take the other side and I do the same thing. If you have a red pen or something, a highlighter, that it helps to see like what happened after. Okay. And on the right side, there's no math happening there now. It's just canceling out. That's the point. So you cancel, and cancel. That's exactly what you want. 100 times this is just 8,600, right? And now you can get rid of the brackets. And now what? Zach, you cannot answer anymore because you've answered. You've out-answered already. Can I ask Enrique because he's telling me. What is it? All right. Subtract this by that. Yes. So I'm going to go minus 4820 minus 4820. Is he doing the same thing to both sides? Yeah, that's exactly what's happening here. So this is just 0. This is just 0. So you're left with 40x on this side, and here you just subtract, right? Is it? Yeah, 3780, yeah. And you're so close now. And you're going to be tempted to just guess. Don't guess, right? What are we going to do now? You can't answer. Anybody else? Ria. Divide by 40. Yeah, because 40 is multiplying. Yep. So this is 40 divided by 40 is what? It's just 1, right? You're left with x, 1x. The reason why I'm saying is because some students think that if we cancel, it's like it's gone. No, there's a 1 left, right? But we just don't worry about it. So 3780 here divided by 40, that's 94.5. Some kind of secret code there, 9.4.5. 94.5%. Is it possible? It is possible, but not likely. Yeah, like there. Not likely. Yeah. Is it? I mean, as long as if this number had been over 100%, 100% is still okay. 99.9% is still okay. But as soon as you're over 100, you would have to say it's not possible, unless Mr. Davidson throws in a bonus. But don't answer that. Don't just say it's not possible, right? Especially on an exam, usually don't have bonus. Okay, there are not enough examples of this in the book, so I'm gonna take you straight to it. I'm going to take you straight to it. You're with me? Let's do one right now before we leave. You need to practice this once, okay? So you keep your finger on this page because you want to check. And you're going to go all the way to I thought I had it. Oh, right there. No. Yeah, that is asking for final grade. I need to revisit this booklet. I thought I had it all figured out. If not, I'll make one up. No. Okay. So go with me. We're gonna make one. We're gonna go to page 130, and I'm gonna turn that into a backwards question. So we're gonna cross this out right here on page 130. What will Gazelle's final grade? So we're gonna cross this out to this part right here. You're with me, right? You're making it, you're editing, yeah? Okay. So we have all the weights here. What must she score on the test to earn a final grade of 65%? And I'll have to calculate that right now as well. And I'll give you the answer and still get the 65%.